So setting up NordVPN on your iPhone is something a lot of people put off, usually because it sounds more technical than it actually is. But the truth is, it's a pretty straightforward process. So today I'll walk you through how to set it up, step by step, plus a few things worth knowing so everything works the way it should. And just a heads up, I'll include links to NordVPN in the description, including the best discounts available. Now, before you start, you'll need two things: your iPhone with access to the App Store and a NordVPN account, though you can also create one right inside the app. So to start, open the App Store, search for NordVPN and tap Get to download and install it like any other app. Then once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your account. And something to note is that your account covers up to 10 devices at the same time, so adding your iPhone here should be no problem at all. After that, the first time you try to connect, iOS will show a prompt asking for permission to add VPN configurations. And this is just your iPhone asking permission, so it's completely normal. Just tap Allow and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. And then to actually connect, you can either tap the main connect button and let the app pick a server for you, or scroll through the country list and choose a specific location yourself. So once you're connected, you'll see the status in the app change to connected, and a small VPN badge will appear in your iPhone's status bar. And that's how you know it's working. Now, protocol-wise, the app defaults to NordLynx, which is Nord's WireGuard-based protocol. And it's also their fastest protocol. So for most people, it's fine to just leave it on NordLynx. And then something else worth knowing about is Nord's scam and phishing protection, which is available across all platforms, including iOS. Basically, it works at the DNS level to help block scam and phishing sites before they ever load, so it's worth switching on as well. Now, one limitation to keep in mind is that split tunneling isn't available on iOS. Split tunneling is basically a feature which lets you route some apps through the VPN while other apps use your regular connection. So on your iPhone, when NordVPN is on, it's on for everything. And if you need an app to use your normal connection, you'll just have to disconnect first. And something else to be aware of, if a streaming service shows an error or says you're using a VPN, the usual culprit is that particular server's IP address got blocked. So just switch to a different server in the same country and try again, as that fixes it most of the time. And if your speeds feel slow, connect to a server closer to where you actually are, and double check the protocol is still set to NordLynx, because on a nearby server you should only be losing a few percent of your normal speed. So just to recap real quick, install the app from the App Store, sign in, allow the VPN configuration prompt, and connect. Then turn on the scam and phishing protection. Leave the protocol on NordLynx, and just keep in mind there's no split tunneling on iOS. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.